Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I just installed this bomb wig. This intro not gonna be long, but I just want to give a thank you to Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and you can use my coupon code that's in the description box. And here come the video, girl. Okay y'all, so I wanted to include the unboxing of this video, and shout out to Love Me Hair again for sending me not only the wig but all of this cool stuff in a little purple box. I'm gonna keep this purple box forever because I be needing places to store my wigs. So like this little purple bag and that purple box. Thank you, Love Me Hair. And thank you for the tan wig cap, because I don't know why these companies keep sending me black wig caps. Hey y'all, so this is how the wig came. It came with 3 combs in the elastic band, but I cut the combs out, and as you can see, my part is like a natural brown color. I plucked the lace and bleached the knots, but if you want to see an in-depth video of me doing that on my channel, it'll be up in the cards and in the description box. But do y'all see this hairline? Like, I'm getting much better at plucking my knots, and I just want to say, make sure you focus on the hairline and the part, but that's really it. Don't over pluck your lace. Just take your time and watch the video that I have on my channel. And another thing I want to say is, when you're cutting your lace, take your time doing that as well, and don't use a pair of scissors. Use a razor stick like you're about to see me pick up right now, because you don't want a straight line. You want kind of like a frayed, rigid line. So just take your time, especially if you're new to installing wigs. You don't want to mess up a wig, because wigs are not free or cheap. So just take your time. Okay, so right here you see me applying glue at the top of my forehead, right there where my hairline is. And I do want to say that I do not use the ball cap method. I like to use a little bit of glue so that when I'm done making videos, I just spray a little bit water on my lace part of my wig and it come right off. And I just like to feel my braids at nighttime. Like, I do not like wearing wig caps, but you can definitely use one. I just don't like using them.
Few moments later.
So I definitely want to say that I'm so glad that I started using this elastic band method. Love Me Hair did send me an elastic band, but it was really short, so I just used one that I always use when I install my wig. So make sure y'all get y'all an elastic band, because it really pressed the lace into your forehead or your hairline or wherever you want it to be. Okay y'all, so my favorite part of installing wigs is actually after I done already installed it, and it's when I hot comb my hair. Make sure you actually part every like section on your lace and hot comb your hair if you're trying to avoid having humps in your wig. I did that part off camera, but I do want to say, like, this wax stick that I used, that I put on before I hot comb my hair, you definitely probably want to go buy a wax stick even if you don't buy the one that I use, because hot combing your hair after you put the wax stick stuff on it make it look so much shinier and smoother. So get you a wax stick and take your time and actually hot comb every section of your lace. Okay, y'all, so this is like my least favorite part of doing my installs, which is doing my baby hairs. Oh my god, I suck so bad at doing my baby hairs. I just want to say I will get better. Do not come for my baby hairs in this video. I've been watching Erica J videos and I ain't got it like her. So just, I don't know, it's hard out here. Like, my baby hairs was struggling, but it's okay because the wig did end up coming out right. Okay, y'all, so for this install, I decided to do something different and straighten my hair. Usually I go for like a plain makeup look and not just curl my hair, but as you can see, I busted out the red lipstick today, so why not try something different with my hair? I really like it, and I'm gonna just let the rest of the video play, and I want to say thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. I did the other half off camera, but I really hope y'all like this video, and I have a coupon code in the description box for you if you would like to purchase this wig. So thank you for watching.